Hello guys, we're out again. We're going Delma Park. Are you sleepy?
No.
Wait. Hello guys. 30 minutes na kami naglalakad. Dumaan kami sa mga subdivision. Ayan. Nagagandahang subdivision. Dadaanan mo to bago makarating ng Delma Park. Ay, Bila daw. Bila ang tawag nila dito. Pero ano sila yung style subdivision. Ang gaganda. Yung mga ganyan na villa, pinapaupahan din nila dito. Yan. Mga 2 to 3 floors din yan ni Daddy. Pero malalaki yan sa loob. Like kung merong uupa, per room ang upa. Maganda kung makahanap ng studio type. Yung meron na siyang CR at saka maliit na kitchen. Medyo mahal pero at least solo mo na. For family like us, maganda na siya. Yan. Sa mga ganyang area, mas tahimik. Dito kung di lang malayo sa city, mas okay sana eh. Kaso walang bus, ang okay lang dito kung meron ka sariling sasakyan. Pero maganda siya kasi malapit din sa park. Ayun na ang Delma Park. Ang Abu Dhabi ang pinakamalaking Emirates. Sa 7 Daddy, 7 Emirates ng UAE. So ayan, marami pa siyang area na bakante talaga. Ayan na ang Delma Park. Katabi lang ng mga villa na to. Excited na yung baby?
Mommy, I just found out this line pulls it out so this one can get off.
Oh, okay.
I found out, look. It's just like a keychain.
Oh, okay.
But I'm
Are
not
you excited to play?
Yep, it's taking a long time.
There, that's the Delma Park.
You take such a long time to go there.
Andito na kami sa Delma Park after 40 minutes. 40 minutes walking. So, naka-exercise na kami. Hindi na kami kumain.
Mommy, Daddy, can I use this to do that?
Andito na kami sa loob. Free po ang park na to. Yan. Open siya. So, anyone can go. Kahit yung iba may mga, ayan may mga party sila. Dito nila ginagawa. May mga, ano kasing house karyano? May mga cottage kasi sila. So, libre na nga naman. Makakapagpabisita pa sila ng maluwag. So, lalakad kami hanggang doon sa kabila. Maghahanap muna ng place. Kung wala ng cottage, may dala naman kaming banig.
Spot.
Yan, dito marami silang playground para sa mga bata. Tapos meron ding basketball area. Ito, jogging area. O, yan na. Uy, uy. Yan na yung pusa. Go there. Tadi gaano nga kahaba tong joggingan? 500? 800. Tong jogging area, 800 meters. Tapos kagandahan dito, meron silang CR talaga. So, hindi ka mag-worry kung ikaw ay datnan ng emergency. Ay, puno na nga. Ganitong oras. So, anong oras na ba? 4:30. Puno na ang mga cottage. So, hanap na lang tayong area na pwedeng upuan. Baby! Yeah, susulong pa tayo kasi wala nang cottage doon. So, tama lang na may dala tayong banig. Oh, you jog na, baby! Jog na!
Where?
You jogging na!
No, I want to find a place na.
Oh, sige. May basketball court. Meron din silang table tennis. Puro outdoor.
What was wrong?
Outdoor. Gandahan sa labas na to. Meron silang mga pang gym. Pero nasa labas. Yan oh.
Mama, did we find a place yet? I want na.
Mga pang gym. Yan.
Like a gym.
Free. Free. All free to use. Yan. Mukhang malapit na nating maikot. Wala tayong nakitang bakanting cottage. Ayan, sa mga bata. Babalik na lang tayo dun sa area kanina ni Daddy. Maglatag tayo ng banig dun sa gilid. Meron din silang store. Pwede kang bumili ng snacks. Ito pala yung start, yung entrance sa pinasukan natin kanina. 500 meters lang siya. Ayan, so babalik tayo dito. Doon na lang tayo sa banig. So here is the spot for us. O, tara na, maglatag na. At nang tayo makakain na. Ayan, ready na ang aking baby. Napagod daw siya, hindi naman siya naglakad. You get tired? Hindi ka naman naglakad. Oh, you play na. Dali na. Naka-exercise na kami. Naglakad na kami. So, kakain na lang. Alright. Ialapag natin ang ating food. Ang dala lang naman namin ay kanin. Isa pang kanin. Puro kanin. At saka ako naggisa ng corn beef. Wala naman kasi sa plano yung lakad namin. So, kung ano lang yung food na madali kong iluto, mailuto. Nak, get the plastic.
What was plastic?
Get the plastic. That one. Daddy, get the plastic. Ayan. At saka hot dog. At saka yung natirang giniling na pinirito ko. Yan.
The other one.
Yan lang ang aming food. Who's gutom? Who's gutom na? Daddy Oreo. Manol Duya. Who's gutom? Who's gutom? Why, Daddy? You said you're gutom na.
So what?
Ha?
So what? What are you gonna do about it?
Oh, we will eat na. Oh, kain na, baby. Mainip siya.
What?
You wanna eat na?
Why? Now you have to first.
What? What about you? Now ay 5, almost 5 p.m. Mamaya niyan malamig na. So
When it's
marami ng
5
taong pala.
p.m. When it's 5 p.m. And we'll go home.
Yes, we'll go home na. That's why you have to play na. You have to start na. And play.
I want to
Oh, mag-eat na ka. Mag-eat na, mag-eat. Get alcohol from that. Ano? Ang dami ng tao, padating pa lang yung iba. Ate nga lang muna lang para mag-pwesto. Ah, tita nga din na pala yun. Oh, kita na. Where is your kanin? Oh, that is baby rice.
It's almost getting nighttime. It is night now. Okay.
Marunong ka. Ayan mo yung kutsara. Who will eat first? Who will eat first? Subuan na niya mga niya.
Always when we picnic on the grass, always flies come in us.
No, because we are outside.
I was picnic inside.
Yeah, that's not picnic day.
It's picnic.
Let's eat na guys. Yan ang aming baon.
Yes.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Dito lang kami nagtambay sa may entrance area. Mamaya dali namin si Eliana dun sa playground. Nak, you finish your food? Open it. Open it first.
I cannot.
You can do it. Take it slowly. Eh, you finish na? Where are you going?
Going.
Where?
Going. Just gonna run.
Okay. Take it slowly.
I know.
You excited na to play?
Yeah, I'm playing na. I'll play na.
You wait for daddy.
Lychee, baka naman.
Sponsor yan.
Black Nor, baka
Ano
naman.
sinabi na? Sneakers sana.
Oh, sneakers, baka naman. Dali na, baka
Dali, you say it.
Sneakers, baka naman. They will give you more. Dali na.
Dali balo sabihan, practice niya.
Lychee, baka naman.
Oh, nakiyo. Dali balo sabihin baka naman.
Mahulog yan.
Meron kaming juice.
Black Nor, baka naman.
May dalang toy si Eliana. Jaran! Daddy brought it for you. Oh. So you can play na there. You play with daddy.
Yeah, I'll get this color, the orange.
Oh, they are the same.
Oh,
Orange and green. No, you play the yan. Nanong house ka niyan, Noy? Ah? Nanong house ka niyan? Sasaltayan eh.
Dad, which side do you want me? This side or this side? Haha!
You play na there, you and daddy. Uy! Pwede yan pang jacks to. Oh, you have to go there. Ay! Oh, yan. Oh, are you ready? You play with daddy. Ready na? Pamukpok me. Oh, dali na. 1, 2, Jesus Maria. Nak, hold the ball. And then you palo.
You be ready.
Ready? Dad. Ready, go!
Yan na. Uy!
You almost let it get stuck in. You almost let it get stuck in that tree.
Ang dami ng tao.
Oh!
No, you have to palo. Daddy, you teach her how to hold it and palo. Oh. Hold it and then palo. Hold and then palo.
Like this.
Hindi ba- Oh, look at daddy. Look at daddy.
One down.
Oh. Hold it and palo.
Then I have to let it go so I can jump high.
Yes. Again. Yeah, practice.
I don't know.
More
I thought
practice.
it's going on to it.
No, you just hold it and palo. No, you don't need to jump.
Oh.
Daddy, you teach her, Dali, Daddy. Yan! You see? Another one, another one.
Good, good.
Sige, try again.
Gotcha, bro.
Gotcha, bro. Oh, look at Daddy, look at Daddy. Ay, talaga. Oh, dali, 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 dali. You
Did I
have
get
to
it?
watch.
Did I get it?
No, no, you didn't. You should follow it again.
Out there. Don't get
Ay, talaga. Don't go far. Nye. Far, far.
Ah!
Dali. Okay, go far.
Madalumdum yan.
Madalumdum natin. Go far din. No, it should be up like this. You see? You have to practice more. Go far, far. Oh. Check. Oh. See? 1, 2, 3. You play like this, Mama.
No.
Ay, talaga naman. Dati kasi.
I want to say bus.
Oh, slowly. Dali.
Let's mama. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Ouch.
Ouch. Ouch.
Sige. Careful ka na. You can. Yes, you can. You have to hold up the next one. Next one. There, there.
Moving.
Here, huh?
These are
Oh, use here, here, here.
bunny.
No, it's not. Oh.
I don't
Mataluti.
Oh no, there's a monster again.
Talaga naman.
Monster, I got a gun. Pew, pew. Gotcha.
Go back, Eliana. Go back. Careful, anak. Careful. Kenny na, Kenny.
You're a monster.
Talaga naman.
No! No! Don't get me, monster! Monster, stay there!
Ay, talaga naman.
Oh, dear. The monster! Mommy, can you help me?
How can I help you?
I need to go up.
Oh, give me your hand.
No, can you carry me up here? Can you carry me?
Try it, try.
No! Come on.
No, only the small one. Only the small one. The orange one.
Iron?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see? Oh. You steady, huh? I'll show you how. Like this, now. 1.
Oh! Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it. Now I get it.
careful.
I know, Mom. No need to ask.
You're a big girl na. Oh. Where is the next?
Mommy, pretend you challenge me to start.
Yeah, you have to
Going to
follow the
level.
numbers, you see? And then
No, I have to go.
from 1 to 10, come
Mom,
here.
I have to go on levels.
Oh, sige.
Levels like going up there.
Oh,
and
sige,
then-
oh,
okay,
sige.
you told that's the level, okay?
Yeah. Oh, start from 1. Hold up there in front of you. In front of you.
I did it. Yeah, Mommy, show it to him.
Okay. She's so brave, Daddy. She lambitin in the like a monkey.
Daddy, and let me show it to Daddy. Show it to Daddy.
Sure, you'll make me proud?
Yeah, I promise. I was fine.
Yeah. What did you do first? You tell Daddy what did you do.
I was playing, and then I found the spider web, and then I start going on it, going higher and higher.
Do you believe, Daddy? Do you believe?
Yeah? Mommy, what do you want?
Ayan, paggabi na.
Go.
Paggabi na, madilim na. So, magpapaalam na kami. Kasi malabo na tong camera mamaya. Now, what time is it, Daddy? 6 p.m. na po dito. At kami ay lalakad na lang pa uwi mamaya. See you again next time. Say bye-bye, Nana.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, see you in our next video. You tell them.
See you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Diet's fun.
Diet's fun. That's